So how long does cold spark machine powder last, or also known as cold spark granules? That's a good question, and it's a tricky question because it really depends on your machine. Certain machines take certain cards and that take certain granule packs. Case in point, Sparkular Minis take 50 gram packs. They only take 50 gram packs. You can put more granules in it, but you're probably going to overflow the machine. Maybe not. Depends on you and how much granules you put in. So those machines take a 50 gram pack. Most other machines on the market, including CryoFX Minis, CryoFX Regulars, Pro Blitz, there's a lot of other companies out there that have machines. They normally all take 200 gram packs. Now, giving you more information than not enough, the granules themselves come in small, medium, and large. That is really just the size of the individual grain of the granule. The smaller ones burn out faster, so the sparks don't go as high. The medium, longer, because they're larger. And of course, the larger ones are the largest individual grain size granules that they have. Those will heat up and those will actually go the highest and they burn out the longest. And you see it the longest, I guess, to get the concept across. So with that said, all these spark machines take 200 gram packs. The Sparkular Minis take 50 gram packs. On some of their mini falls, those ones also took 50 gram packs, but I believe that they discontinued that and they changed those over to 200 gram packs. Regardless, please make sure you buy the right granules for the right machine and the right brand, and you get the right cards in those orders. We also have other videos on spark machines and other questions on this page. Welcome to CryoFX.